What's up, everyone? Today's the 8th of December, 2023. Here to talk about Kaspa because that 24-hour crash, the market just yesterday went down 7% in Kaspa. We shouldn't be surprised. Now, should you? Especially if you saw my last video on December 1st, to where we talked about a couple of areas of selling pressure for the buyers in Kaspa. We had one area right there around 14 cents. The biggest sell zone that we identified on our video on December 1st was right there around 15 cents. And that is where the buyers got rejected right there on December the 4th. We talked about that. That's the reason why we really didn't place a massive price prediction looking for Kaspa to go massively higher. We didn't expect that to happen, all because of those two sell zones. So, did you get it? You get your targets? Because our first target was right there around 10.5%, around 15 cents there. Didn't reach the top portion of that sell zone. Couldn't do it. And the next thing we need to talk about in Kaspa is the trend being broken, which also is not a good thing. So we have two things going against the buyers in the market in Kaspa right now. Two, it might even be three. One, the sell zone up here at the top around 15 cents. Two, price is no longer trending bullish. And three would be a potential downtrend being created in the market for Kaspa. Okay. Now, you can see this massive trend that is in place into the market in Kaspa. Don't be surprised if eventually the market comes back down and tests that trend line. But for now, we'll cut that out the way, and we're going to identify what we suspect to be support. Okay. So this would be the area of contention, meaning I suspect that sellers going to be up here. They're going to react up here, this top portion line. Buyers react around this particular support line. Okay. Kaspa on the 2-day time frame. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look massively weak. But we can tell that the market currently is showing us a little bit of weakness. Here it is on the 3-day, 5-day time frame. Okay, I'm not really too concerned with the weakness in the market in Kaspa. If anything, what I'm looking at is for this particular cryptocurrency to maybe consolidate. That's the forecast that I'm trying to place in the market in Kaspa right now. It is on the 5-hour chart. Currently, the market is bullish. On the hourly charts, even on the 330-minute chart, the market in Kaspa is giving us strength. So we need to allow those buyers take the price as high as they can. And then once we get that reaction of selling, see how low the market's going to react. I like the 7-hour chart too, for us to see the market in Kaspa go up. I will just tell everyone to be careful that this area here will be seen as a sell zone, as well as this one. Okay. This would be the closest sell zone. So if we were to look to see price go to that level, I mean, that'd be a 7% move. It's not that bad. But I would have to say like 14 cents first could be a sell zone too on the daily charts. Okay, so let me do this. I think price in the initial short term could see market move higher 14 cents, maybe top out at that sell zone here at the top portion, but on the longer time frames is where I would have to wait to see if the selling really is being generated there. So let me do this. I'll go ahead and put on a prediction, looking for the market and Kaspa to go up, but only to these two targets right there around 14 cents, 3.64% there, and then at that sell zone around 14.5 cents, 7.89. So this is going to be a very short term, and I want to see how the market reacts in Kaspa, maybe like on the 5-day time frame, the weekly charts, to see the weakness is going to be there, because if so, then I'm still going to play the downside move in Kaspa in the long term. Okay, so this is just a short-term idea that I'm looking forward to into the market for Kaspa, but long term, I need to wait and see how the market completes on the weekly charts. Especially, I don't want to see the market in the next 2 days and 13 hours in Kaspa close on the low of this weekly bar. If it does, then definitely I will be anticipating the market in Kaspa to go lower. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.